Hi, I'm Diana from OUAI, and we are so excited to feature our leave-in conditioner in the FabFitFun Spring Box. We want you to try using the leave-in conditioner to help detangle, hydrate, add shine, provide heat protection, and give you the hair that you want in 5 or 10 minutes or less. So we have Holly here who just got her hair freshly cleansed. We're gonna apply OUAI's leave-in conditioner from the root to the mid-shaft to the end. You can either use your hands to comb through or your favorite wide tooth comb and just continue to comb the product through your hair. Okay, so we're all done with the application process. The next step is either to let Holly's hair air dry or we can use a blow dryer to give her that extra smooth blowout. So Holly's hair is freshly blow dried. It feels soft, it's shiny, it's smooth, and she's ready to go. The OUAI leave-in conditioner is amazing for all hair types, especially curly girls. So we're gonna start with day 2 or day 3 hair. Ariel hasn't washed her hair, and we're gonna use the leave-in conditioner as that extra boost of hydration and shine that she needs. We're gonna simply just shake the bottle, and you're gonna spray about 6 inches away, and 6 inches, if you think about it, it's just about a bottle's length. And then you're gonna go in and lightly mist all over. This formulation is gonna cover all 3, so you can easily refresh the hair. You can either scrunch or squeeze or twist into your curls, whatever you prefer. And there we have it. Ariel's curls are bouncy, shiny, and frizz controlled, and we are so excited for all the FabFitFun members to try OUAI's leave-in conditioner.